Welcome back to ABCD Trade Review. This is Diana, your trader and analyst. Newly listed IPOs for July 25, 2026, which fresh listings just hit the market, how they debuted versus their issue price, and whether to buy now or book profit. Your market pulse for this week. Nifty 50 at 23,767, minus 1.27%. Sensex at 76,060, minus 1.46%. Bank Nifty at 56,694, minus 1.54%. Globally, S&P 500 to 1.62%, Nasdaq minus 3.50%, crude oil plus 8.27%, gold plus 1.37%, US dollar to Indian rupee plus 0.06%. After a red week, the broader bias is cautious. Next week, watch the Nifty's key levels, crude, the rupee, and US indices. In the new listing space, check the recent listings on NSE and BSE and how each debuted versus its issue price. Here's how to play a fresh listing. First, the price. Compare where it trades now against its issue price and price band to see if the listing pop has already happened. Second, when to buy. If it listed flat or dipped, but the business is strong, you can accumulate near the issue price. If it spiked on pure hype, wait for it to cool and base. Third, when to sell. If you got the allotment and it's up big on day one, booking some profit into the listing strength is never wrong. Watch the first few sessions for the real trend before committing for the long term. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 8.65% today on 4.9 times its average volume. The trend is downtrend. RSI has room to run before it's overbought, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. DBL rose plus 8.65% on heavy volume, 4.9x average, with news in focus. DILIP BUILDCON Ltd, BM, 540047, Q3 2026 earnings call highlights. Navigating challenges with. Technically, the trend is downtrend. RSI is 45, neutral. Support sits near 386.80 rupees and resistance near 487.35 rupees. On fundamentals, it's industrial's name. Market cap 68.27 billion rupees, PE around 5, revenue growth minus 26%, profit margin plus 14%. Short term, it's above the 412.50 rupees entry, plus 1.88%. Target 1 at 618.75 rupees is plus 47% away, and target 2 at 825.00 rupees about plus 96%. Watch 412.50 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 386.80 rupees and 463.85 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 386.15 rupees to 575.45 rupees, and it's near the 18% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 412.50 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 618.75 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 825.00 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 386.80 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. If this breakdown on DBL helped, hit like and subscribe. Join our free Telegram for real-time entry and exit alerts, link in the description, and comment your own target for DBL below. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 12.28% today on 4.8 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. CNL rose plus 12.28% on heavy volume, 4.8x average, with news in focus. Creative NEWTECH Limited, NSE, CNL, Q4 2026 earnings call highlights. Robust growth amidst challenges. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 73, overbought. Support sits near 615.55 rupees and resistance near 987.00 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a technology name. Market cap 14.82 billion rupees, PE around 24, revenue growth plus 83%, profit margin plus 3%. Short term, it's below the 1,009.95 rupees entry, minus 2.27%. Target 1 at 1,514.92 rupees is plus 53% away, and target 2 at 2,019.90 rupees about plus 105%. Watch 1,009.95 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 730.25 rupees and 987.00 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 528.15 rupees to 987.00 rupees, and it's near the 100% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 1,009.95 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 1,514.92 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 2,019.90 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 615.55 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Like and subscribe for more setups like CNL. Jump into our free Telegram in the description for live entry and exit alerts, and tell me in the comments what you'd do with CNL. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 9.94% today on 4.6 times its average volume. The trend is sideways. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. MAXIND rose plus 9.94% on heavy volume, 4.6x average, with news in focus. Max India Ltd, VM, 543223, Q4 2026 earnings call highlights. Strong revenue growth amidst challenges. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 71, overbought. Support sits near 151.86 rupees and resistance near 182.11 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a healthcare name. Market cap 9.58 billion rupees. Revenue growth plus 67%. Profit margin minus 57%. Short term, it's above the 182.11 rupees entry, plus 0%. Target 1 at 273.17 rupees is plus 50% away, and target 2 at 364.22 rupees about plus 100%. Watch 182.11 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 154.16 rupees and 182.11 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 122.85 rupees to 224.11 rupees, and it's near the 59% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 182.11 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 273.17 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 364.22 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 151.86 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Enjoying the analysis? Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our free Telegram below for entry and exit alerts, and drop your view on MAXIND or any stock you want me to cover next in the comments. Watch the first few sessions before you commit. Like and subscribe for more IPO coverage. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. And here's what I want from you. Comment below where you think these stocks are headed next. Drop the future price you expect for any of them. Also tell me which ticker you want me to analyze next, and I'll share its entry, targets, levels, and full details in an upcoming video. And to get real-time entry and exit alerts the moment they happen, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below.